What is up, guys? Dart Gun Guy here. Today we got the Nerf Captain America Civil War Slide Blast Armor from the new Captain America movie. It's pretty cool, dude. It's a Nerf gun, and check it out. It does this. Woo! That's pretty cool. I'm not even sure if this thing's gonna fit on my arm, but we'll check it out. It's got the little blaster on the top, and it's got some cool slide out armor. Check that out. Not much to look at the front. Let's check out the back. Comes with 2 darts. It's supposed to come with this little mask. Well, you buy the mask separately, but I'm not going to do that. I just review the guns. And it says right here, press the button to release the armor. We already knew that. It's pretty self-explanatory. So, let's check this thing out. Let's open it up. Yeah, there we go. Everything just came right out. Here's our 2 Nerf darts. They are Nerf brand, and they just look like, is it an alternate color scheme? Here's the gun. Oh, we got some plastic right here. There we go. That one was a little easier. This thing should just, clip back on. Alright, so here it is. Got a little wrist strap right here. Oh, I'm assuming this one is to fire the darts, and this one is to open the armor. You got dart holders right here. Probably not going to be that powerful, but it's pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. Let's see if this thing can even fit on my arm. Got a big arm. Oh yeah, fits super easily actually. Let's see. Ooh yeah. I was right. Alright, let's load this thing up. Not bad. Okay, so the second one might just be a dart holder. Oh, never mind. They both shoot. That's pretty cool. I wonder why they gave you 4 places to put darts, but only included 2 darts. See, this one, it's not shooting every time for me. You gotta really force that dart in there. See? Every time, man. There we go. Yeah, you just gotta shove it in there, I guess. Boom! Boom! Yeah, this back part right here is actually a little sharp. It keeps scraping me every time I pull the trigger. Maybe it's just because I got a big arm. Oh, look, that's kind of cool. See, these dart holder parts are in, and then whenever you release it, they kind of poke out a little. That's kind of cool. Yeah, see, it just scratched me. It's super sharp. It's a bit of a design flaw. It doesn't say Nerf anywhere on the blaster, actually. Not even on the little fine print at the bottom. But it is a Nerf gun though. So I did just realize something after playing with this around for a bit, and my first bit, I actually had it on the wrong hand. I put it on the left, and it was somewhat comfortable because I have big hands, but I realized it's supposed to be on the right hand, and my hand does not fit in here at all. But then again, I do have a big hand, and the armor part is actually pretty comfortable now. It goes right over my arm. But see, look what happened when I put it on the wrong arm. It squashes my hand a great deal, but it's not too bad. I probably wouldn't use it if I had bigger hands, and I doubt I would ever use it in a Nerf war. It's still a pretty cool gun to have. I kind of like it. It looks pretty cool. Well, there you have it. Let me just get this thing off. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Let's do some distance tests. Here we go. Here's the gun. Here's the first distance test. Darts loaded in 3, 2, 1. An alright distance, probably about 40 feet. Here is the POV test. As you can see, decent distance. Not quite the 45 feet, but pretty close. So that was the Captain America Civil War Nerf Dart Blaster with the cool retracting armor. That's about it. Like, comment, subscribe. Be on the lookout for new videos. I just got paid and I bought $150 worth of Nerf guns to review because I really like it. It's really fun. So I'll probably post a lot of videos coming up shortly. Be on the lookout for those. Have a good day.